We built our cabin here in northern Wisconsin because we wanted a family retreat, to be in nature, to be outside, and we focused on a lot of details in the cabin that, really removed distractions and really kept the attention on the outdoors. After we've been here for a few weeks, I noticed that there were always like iPhones or like a Nintendo Switch or something that was plugged in and, just on the countertop. And it was super annoying. We spent all this time to, keep the lines minimal and simple. And then of course all the technology takes over. So when I saw the docking drawer, I had to pick it up. It was a way to get all that junk off the countertops and out of the way, in the drawer where it belongs. And so far it's been great. I love it. It's got all the ports that we need. It's super simple. I love the safety shut off, and it was really easy to install. Just, really a couple of hours on a weekend, and it was good to go. I really appreciate when products focus on good design, and to me the best design is the product that you never see.